Hey everybody, welcome back to this Sakura D5S drift kit build. Today we're going to be working on the front and rear body post, and then we're going to mount the tires and we're done. So we're getting very close to the end, so let's get started. First we're going to need bag A. Okay, that looks like everything we need for now. So let's start over here. So we need to assemble this post bridge, and it's the long side. So we need to start looking for screws. It's going to be the M3 8mm button head. Let's see if it's this one. It is this one. Okay, next we're going to go and assemble the front bumper. And first thing we need to do is to attach the posts and post the holes line up with the bumper side to side. Then we're going to slip this through. Now we're going to put these two plates on, and I have no idea what the height's going to be, but we'll figure it out. Okay, and these are set with a set screw, which is 1.5mm. And add on the magnet and then the top plate. Okay. And this is the front bumper mount. And all it is two screws. This right here lines up with the front of the chassis. And it's just two screws. The back side is just going to be two posts that stick out from the rear here. And it should look like that. Next, we need to add two spacers and then the magnet and then the screw. And here are the two spacers right there. Okay, and we're done. We are done doing the front and rear mounts. Let's work on the wheels. Okay, this kit does come with wheels and tires. It's bag 9. And the hex nuts are actually on a tree that we opened quite a while ago. Okay, all we have to do is find the hole. Put a pin across. And slip these on. Then we're going to set a wheel on it and tighten it down with the nut. Okay, and we're done. Don't forget, you're supposed to glue these tires. Thanks for watching this video. If you got anything out of it, please drop a like, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.